Hi, welcome to Afric Style, the #1 fashion design channel. And today we are bringing to you African designs in so many forms, and also showing you different types of design in skirts, wrapper, and trousers. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, like this video, and also make comments. If there is any style you want from the listed ones, you can just comment below and I'll get back to you. Also, kindly share this video to your friends and the lover of fashion. Also, stay tuned to this channel as we'll be bringing up to you on its aim to fashion designers to see latest designs around the globe, and also for anybody that is searching for clothes. This video is aimed for fashionists that are looking for latest design. Subscribe to our channel, watch our videos. I will promise you to make our videos and our designs latest ones. Beautiful, pretty, lovely, and gorgeous. Please stay tuned to this channel once again and hit the subscribe button, turn off the notification button to get updates on a daily basis as we post to our channel.
So many times you've suffered a broken heart, yeah. And it be like say the word on end, but you know be like that, oh. See, excuse me, I'm a tenor, you will be my wife, yeah. I'm for real, yo. I know be one chance, oh, yeah. Let me put a smile upon your pretty face, yeah. The way you smile, they make me wonder crazy. Don't know what to do. I just have to walk up to you, just to say I love you and I hope you love me too. That's why I say give you good loving. Let me give you good loving. Let me give you good loving. I will never make you cry. Don't deserve to be so sad. You don't deserve to be so sad. Know your past to make you want go mad. Oh, yeah. Let me be the air you breathe. Your color match my own, can't you see? You and I are meant to be together, stay forever. That's why I say, let me put a smile upon your pretty face. Yeah. I will stay with you and over give you space. Yeah. Here is what I'm gonna do. I'ma take you to the altar and say I do. Hey, see times you've suffered a broken heart, yeah. And it be like say the world on end, but you know be like that, oh. See, excuse me, I'm a tenor, you go be my wife, yeah. I'm for real, yo. I know be one chance, oh, yeah. Let me put this smile upon your pretty face, yeah. Yeah, the way you smile, they make me wonder crazy. Don't know what to do. I just have to walk up to you, just to say I love you, and I hope you love me too.